In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mailchimp support directly through their platform. Whether you're running into technical issues, need help with billing, or have any other queries, reaching out to Mailchimp's support team can streamline your problem-solving process. So, let's walk through the steps to guide you on how to do just that. First things first, you'll want to start from your Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a Help button. This button is your gateway to getting the support you need from Mailchimp, so go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll be directed to the next page where you can explore various support options available to you. Now, once you've opened the Help section, you will see several options. Look for the button labeled Contact Us and click on it. This is your direct connection to Mailchimp's support team. You'll be stepping into a more personalized support experience and can share detailed information about your issue. Next, you'll need to outline the specific issue you're facing. This step is crucial because the more detailed and specific you are about the problem, the better support you can receive. Whether it's a technical glitch or a question on how to optimize your campaigns, this is where you enter that information. Take your time to type in a clear description of what you need help with, as this will be essential for the support team to assist you effectively. After you've detailed your issue, click on the button labeled Continue. This will lead you to a new pop-up window. In this window, you'll need to fill out a form. This form asks for relevant information regarding your account and the nature of your request. It's important to fill this out meticulously to ensure you're getting tailored assistance for your specific situation. Once you've completed the form with all the necessary details, simply click on Submit. After submission, Mailchimp's support team will take it from there. They will review your request and get back to you with the assistance you need. Should you be awaiting a response, make sure to check your email regularly, as that's where their reply will likely arrive. And that's it. You've successfully reached out to Mailchimp support. With these steps, you should be well on your way to receiving the help you need. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating Mailchimp's support system. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.